Hey guys, Jessie here from Tonkadale, and today we need to talk about drainage. We love all your drainage questions. It's a very fun word to say, drainage. Now, our preference for you is that when you take your plants home, they do have drainage. Drainage is simply a hole in the bottom of the container they're planted in. Now, we have three options for drainage. You're going to come to garden centers and plant shops, etc., and find a lot of pots that don't have a drain hole. And you're going to be like, what do I do? Well, here's one thing we can do for you. You can just simply ask us, hey, could you put a drain hole in my pot? And we'll be like, yes, we can do that for you. We're happy to drill holes in any container you purchase here at Tonkadale. If you need a hole drilled, just make sure to find a saucer that coordinates with your pot. Mix and match is totally appropriate. You don't have to use an official saucer. You could use something from home, like a plate or a dish or something you find at an antique shop. Anything goes. Now, the two other options are as follows. The easiest option is to buy a pot that comes with a saucer. We try to present as many pots that come with coordinating saucers as possible. Our third option, and one that I really love, is to simply drop your plants into a container that does not have a drain hole. Now, here's what you do. You purchase a plant, you leave it in the grower's pot. The grower pot has built-in drainage, right? When you purchase a pot without a drain hole, if it's glazed on the inside, that means it won't leak. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at Tonkadale, where we're happy to answer all of your drainage questions.